Hi guys, see you again in chapter 4 chemical bonding. This is subtopic 4.5 metallic bond, but in this video I will focus on the band theory of electrical conductivity. So guys, let's start. Okay guys, before we look at what is band theory, you need to understand a few terms in this subtopic. The first one, what is band? So band is an array of closely spaced molecular orbitals occupying a continuous range of energy. So actually band ni macam ni je kelas. Awak anggap orbital yang kita pernah belajar tu sebelum ni adalah band. Okay. Next, band gap. So what is band gap? Band gap is the energy between a fully occupied valence band and an empty conduction band. So sebenarnya band gap ni adalah jarak di antara valence band dan juga conduction band. So ini penting untuk awak faham band theory nanti. Okay, so what is valence band? What is conduction band? Okay, so we look at the first one, valence band. Valence band, a band closely spaced bonding molecular orbital that is essentially fully occupied by electron. Okay, I give you example. For example, we have sodium metal. We know that sodium metal consists of 11 electron, right? So if we write the electronic configuration of sodium, should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So, if we classify the valence electron in sodium, so the valence electron in sodium must fill in the 3s orbital. So, kita tahu valence electron pada sodium adalah 1. So, dia berada dalam orbital 3s. So, this is what we call as valence band. Okay, so 3s orbital dikenali sebagai valence band. Boleh? Okay, seterusnya, what is conduction band? So, conduction band is a band unoccupied molecular orbital. So, see, unoccupied ataupun senang cerita empty molecular orbitals lying higher in energy than occupied valence band. Okay, I give you example. We're still in sodium. So just now we know that 3s orbital is valence band. Means atas selepas selepas 3s kita tahu kita akan jumpa orbital 3p. So 3p dalam sodium metal dia adalah orbital yang kosong. Nampak tak? Okay, so energi selepas valence orbital adalah conduction band. So itu yang dipanggil conduction band. Maksudnya orbital selepas valence orbital ataupun valence band tadi. So 3s1 tadi valence band. So selepas 3s kita tahu kita ada 3p. So 3p ni tiada elektron di dalam orbital ini. So ni yang dimaksudkan a band of unoccupied molecular orbital which is higher in energy. Maksudnya energi dia lebih tinggi daripada valence band tadi. So tolong faham, conduction band ni adalah orbital yang kosong selepas valence band. Okay? Clear? Okay guys, next we look at band theory. So what is band theory? Band theory of solid is electron jump from valence band to conduction band at ordinary temperature, and if this happen, then the solid can conduct electricity. So that's why you need to understand what is valence band just now and what is conduction band. Okay, so we know that for sodium just now dia ada 3s1 tadi. Dia ada 1 elektron dalam 3s. Okay, so kalau 1 elektron tersebut boleh move kepada conduction band. Okay, dia akan jump kepada conduction band iaitu 3p tadi. So metal boleh conduct electricity. Okay, so conductivity of electricity actually depends on the gap between the valence band and conduction band. So I will explain to you based on the band structure after this. Okay guys, look at this band structure between metal, semiconductor, insulators. Okay, we know that metal actually is the conductor. So kita tahu metal memang boleh mengalirkan arus elektrik. Okay, so how to explain based on this band structure? Okay, so if you look here, yang kotak warna kelabu ni kita letak sebagai conduction band. And the purple box here is valence band. Okay, if you look at metal, the valence band actually overlap with the conduction band. So no gap, okay, no band gap between the valence band and conduction band. So, bila dia tidak ada gap, so elektron sangat mudah untuk bergerak daripada valence band kepada conduction band. Okay, so ini menyebabkan metal sangat senang untuk mengalirkan arus elektrik. While semiconductor, okay, look, the valence band has more gap between the conduction band. So tapi dia juga boleh mengalirkan arus elektrik tetapi tidak selancar conductor. Okay, so kenapa? Sebab elektron still can make the jump, okay, to the conduction band. So that's why semiconductor also can conduct electricity. But for insulator we know that penebat. Okay, kenapa penebat tak boleh mengalirkan arus elektrik? Look, the valence band and conduction band have larger gap. The band gap between valence and conduction band sangat besar. So, agak sukar untuk elektron jump from valence band to conduction band. Okay, that's why insulator cannot conduct electricity. Okay, boleh? Okay, now we look at this example, how to explain the electrical conduction in sodium using band theory. So actually just now saya dah explain sikit, but how to explain based on the band theory. Okay, we know that sodium is metal. So we know that metal can conduct electricity. How? The process by using band theory. So this is the explanation. So just now I'll show you the electronic configuration of sodium, and we know that sodium consists of valence shell which is 3s1. Okay, so this 3s1 orbital we call as valence band. While after 3s orbital we know that kita akan jumpa 3p orbital. So this 3p orbital tidak ada elektron di dalam dia. So itu yang dipanggil sebagai conduction band. Alright? So since 3s and 3p orbital are quite close in terms of energy difference, and we know that based on this band structure, for metal, the valence band no gap, okay, actually overlap with the conduction band. So no band gap between conduction band and valence band. That's why the electron easily jump atau easily flow from valence band to conduction band. So that's why this sodium metal can conduct electricity. So we know that sodium is the best conductor. Okay? So this is band theory. Okay guys, that's all for the band theory. Thank you.